Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into tools that make your work smoother, smarter, and more efficient. Today, we're reviewing what might just be the best socket wrench set you'll ever need, the DEWALT Drive Socket Set, SAE, metric, 1/4 inch drive, 25 piece. If you're in the market for a durable, versatile, and portable socket set, this one might tick all the boxes. Let's get started. Right out of the box, the DEWALT DWMT 73805 impresses with its compact, rugged, and distinctly professional yellow and black case, a staple of the DEWALT aesthetic. The case has a low profile and securely snaps shut, making it ideal for throwing into your toolbox or even carrying on its own. Inside, each tool is snugly held in place, which is especially helpful when you're working in mobile environments or just want to avoid the mess of scattered sockets. Now let's talk about the tool selection. This 25-piece set includes both SAE and metric sockets, which is incredibly handy if you're switching between different vehicles, equipment, or machinery. You get a 1/4 inch drive ratchet, shallow sockets in metric and SAE sizes, and even a bit adapter. This setup makes it extremely versatile whether you're fixing bikes, working on small engines, or tightening bolts on household projects. The ratchet itself feels sturdy and well machined in the hand. The 72-tooth gear system offers a 5-degree arc swing, which, for the uninitiated, means you can tighten or loosen fasteners in tighter spaces with minimal movement. It's a huge plus when you're working under the hood or in tight corners where space is a luxury. And speaking of strength, every component in this set is made from chrome vanadium steel. That means it's not just tough, it's corrosion resistant too. The polished chrome finish doesn't just look good, it holds up well under tough conditions. DEWALT didn't cut corners here. These sockets feel premium, and they perform that way too. Another thoughtful touch is the hard stamped markings on each socket. Whether you're working in dim light or just trying to find the right piece quickly, these markings are easy to read and won't fade over time. It's those little quality of life details that DEWALT gets right. Let's not forget portability. At just about 1.5 pounds, this set is easy to carry, store, and grab for any job, whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned mechanic. If you're looking for a heavy-duty 100-plus piece set with deep sockets or impact-rated tools, you might want to look elsewhere. But for general maintenance, home repairs, automotive work, or as a go-to kit in your garage or truck, the DEWALT DWMT 73805 delivers performance, durability, and value in a way that few other compact sets do. To wrap up, the DEWALT 1/4 inch drive 25-piece socket set is a prime example of smart design meeting solid construction. It gives you everything you need, nothing you don't, and does it all in a package that's built to last. Whether you're just getting started or upgrading your gear, this set earns its spot in your toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you decide on your next tool investment, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and hands-on reviews. Until next time, keep your tools sharp and your work sharper.